Hello everyone! Are you experiencing lag or stuttering while playing CS2? In this video, I will show you how to fix it by disabling the DirectX shader cache setting. So now let's jump in. First, right-click on your desktop and open the NVIDIA control panel. Now if you are using an AMD graphics card, open the AMD Radeon settings instead. Once inside the control panel, navigate to the Manage 3D settings. Look for Shader Cache and turn it off. This can help reduce lag and stuttering, especially if your cache is bloated with old data. Now click Apply to save your changes, then restart CS2. Disabling the shader cache should make your game run smoother with a fewer stutters. Finally, you will need to ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Lag and stuttering can also be caused by outdated drivers, so it is important to stay current. And that is how you can fix lag and stuttering in CS2 by disabling the DirectX shader cache. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.